Now we learn how to draw orthographic projections by referring given 3D pictorial view. First understand where to place these three views. Front view, and exactly it's below we have to draw top view, and to the right side of a front view we have to place left hand side view. By careful observation, trace out the basically three dimensions: length, height, and width. Length is a 80 millimeter, height is a 70 millimeter, and width is a 50 millimeter. Correspondingly, prepare the frames for front view having length 80 millimeter and height is a 70 millimeter. Exactly below of the frame of front view, prepare the frame for top view of which length is a 80 and width is a 50. Then exactly right side of a front view, prepare the frame for a left hand side view for which the dimensions required: height is a 70 millimeter and width is a 50 millimeter. By taking the projections from front view as well as a top view, we can easily draw frame for left hand side view. Now start to draw front view. For this, first consider this red color surface of which the dimensions are: length is a 80 millimeter and height is a 30 millimeter. Now we have to draw the semicircle. So locate the center point, take the radius of a 15 millimeter in compass and take the center point and draw a semicircle. Thus the front view of the surface is completed. Now to draw this surface, draw the semicircle and complete the circle. Draw its center line passing through center point. Mark the midpoint. Now draw this inclined line. Draw this line of a 15 millimeter. As the depth for this slot is of 20 millimeter. So by using the set square, we will understand how to draw the parallel lines. So draw this parallel line of a 20 millimeter in dimension parallel to the length. Now draw this height of a 20 millimeter. By using the combination of a set square, we can draw this parallel line. The front view is completed. Now we have to draw the top view. For this, draw the projections from front view. For drawing the projections, pick up the vertical lines and extend these lines as the projections in top view. Now target this red color surface of which length is a 15 millimeter and width is a 20 millimeter. So draw these two rectangles having length 15 and width 20 millimeter. For this, take the help of the projections which we have drawn, the reference of a front view. Now consider this slot and as well as sloping surfaces. Now again we have to draw these two rectangles, of which width is a 30 millimeter and length is a 25 millimeter. So draw these two rectangle of a 25 length and 30 millimeter width. Now we have to draw the side view. For this, by using the combination of a set square, we have to draw projections. These projections should be parallel to each other. So just slide the upper set square which is aligned with another set square, and thus projections are drawn. All these projections must be parallel to each other. Now also draw the projections from top view. For this, use a compass. Now draw this red color surface, which is a inclined surface or a sloping surface, of which width is a 20 millimeter and height is a 40 millimeter. Now we have to draw this hidden portion. So draw these dotted lines with the reference of a front view. Draw this dotted line which will indicate the hidden portion. Now give the dimensions. The dimensions adds value to your drawing. So draw neat and systematic dimensioning techniques. Draw the proper size of arrow. All arrows should be of a same length. As the horizontal dimensions, put the dimensions above the horizontal line. Now here we are showing the vertical dimensions. So for vertical dimensions, draw the dimension line approximately 8 to 10 millimeter from visible outline, and place the dimension toward the left side so that it can be read from right directions. Give the dimension of a circle. So here 530 means diameter 30 is indicated. So this is a width of 20 and this is 30 millimeter. So all necessary and sufficient dimensions are shown here. Now the depth of the slot we have to show here. So depth is a 20 millimeter. So maintain line work